Okay, I got two big yards to mow. Our monthly yards. They're in the woods. They don't grow very much because they're in the woods. But the first thing we're going to do is try to... This thing's not turning too good. I think this needs some grease in here. I might pop that off. Put some grease in there. I'm getting snuck up on. Hey, what are you doing, girl? The bearings need some grease. We're going to try to bust this bead off here and push it back enough to get that valve stem out of there and put a new one in it while it's sitting right up on the mower. Bust the bead loose on my tires. It'll work with oh dang near any lawnmower tire. Take a flat chisel that's not real sharp. Go around a little bit. Shove in there. A little pair of vice grips. Get it to go on this pretty easy. I think I can cut it out with that, hopefully. I'm going to put a little anti-seize on it to make it slippery. Just right there where it needs to be. Go through the rim. Not on the whole thing. Just going to put a little bit right here. Get it on the fingers, I guess. I want that to be able to slide through that hole. I'm hoping that's the same size. Uh-oh. It's too big a valve. Dang it. I need to find another valve stem. Hang on, let me come back with you. That one there is too big around. Okay, I'm back. I actually had the right one in my cabinet. Had to get it's the same size. I can't believe I had it. No, I can believe it because I buy tire stuff every now and then. Good to have stuff on hand. You guys could have some of this stuff on hand. You could do it yourself. I could have took this to the tire shop and put this $2 valve stem. Could have ended up costing me about 15 or 20 bucks at a tire shop. Okay, let me get this started in here. Where's my hole? There's my hole. Okay, what you got to do is push the back side in, and then this side, get you plenty of room there to get this valve stem in there. Come on, baby. Ah, we got it going. Okay. Now I need to clean my fingers off because I got that anti-seize all over. I got a leaky hose hoses on my air compressor. I need to get me some new airline hoses. These are about 10 years old. They need replaced. Can't get good rubber nowadays. Let's see if I can pull this out through there. Uh-oh. That ain't good. I gotta get me a better pair of pliers. Where's my toolbox? She's in. There. You hit your tire like that, and it'll push it out to the side. All I gotta do now is put some air in that baby. I think she's fixed. If I can find my air stuff. We'll just guesstimate. It might be a hair longer than my other one, but it'll work. Put this hair more in it. We'll run her like that. At least I know my valve stem ain't leaking. Okay, let's see if we can pop this off here. Am I looking at this? There. See if we can pop this cap off here. I don't know, this ain't really how you do it. This is how I'm going to do it. Works. That grease will work its way down in there. And this thing here needs grease a little bit while I'm here playing around with it. Fit 20 squirts in that baby. Probably coming out. Not yet. Oh, it's barely coming out. Oh yeah, she's turning a lot smoother. Let's get the other one up on the air so we can do that too. My shop's a freaking mess again. Never ending. Cleaning the shop is never ending. Okay, let's see if we can get this one greased up while we're here. She's not turning too good. She needs grease. I didn't realize it needed that grease that bad. I was neglecting it. Are you guys in the picture? Can't tell if it's in the picture or not. Hopefully it is. Need a valve stem cap on there. Dang it. Oh yeah, I feel a lot better. See if we can get a little grease up here at the top so it works the way down as it turns back and forth. May have a seal down. This seal down here in the bottom is, I think I feel a seal. That's probably bad. I need to get new seals. You want to see in there? It's a little bit stiff, but I'll put that full of grease right in there and then it'll work its way down in there when that turns around. Slowly work its way down in there to get better. I know it probably ain't a real good way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it right now because I ain't got a whole lot of time. Probably need to rip these out of there and pack the bearings, but it'll get grease. Okay. Gravity. Automatic greaser. What I should do is get some Buddy. They make some Buddy with grease zerks on these. So I could just hook a grease zert up here and grease them. That's what I should put on it. Some Buddy greasers for trailers. Well, it should have a grease zert right here. Like, I think some other mowers do have a grease zert. The Husqvarna. Pretty sure it's got a grease zert there. Okay. Tire's good. We got our valve stem fixed and the front end greased up a little. And now it's time to load this stuff up and get it on down the road. Alrighty, I'm almost at my job site. My first mowing job. Anybody recognize where I'm going? It's a once a month mowing. Out here in the boonies. Out here in the boonies. It looks like we got a cornfield growing down there at the end of the cul-de-sac here. A dirt road cul-de-sac. That sounds like a country song. It's my dirt road cul-de-sac. It's where I mow the grass. Well, my grass ain't grown very much since last time I mowed it. It starts right there where it's been mowed. It's taller than it looks, though. We got to get in to mow that. There's a little field back there. That telephone pole is way up in there. That's a big old ditch right there to mow, though. And we'll pull up in here. The old boy's home. Get to that field by going up through that fence right there. Yeah. Pull up here past these little bit here. That ought to be good enough. Gotta mow around that house. Alrighty. We're gonna get the Ferris off there and do some mowing, and then we'll do some weed eating and all that other good stuff. May do a little push mowing out there by that ditch pretty soon too. May do it pretty quick. Alright. I'm gonna try to get it over with before it's not too hot. Oh, it's almost 12:30. Woo! I got that one done finally though. Looks pretty good. Mowed down through there. Mowed all this. It ain't much grass really. It's mostly a little bit of grass and a little bit of weeds and a little bit of dry dirt. Got all that done. Blew off the sidewalk and everything. I want to show you his license plate. He's got some stuff down in the woods. Got a horse lot right here that I take care of a little bit. Like to have this barn he's got. It's a pretty nice shed. We'll just take a little ride down the road here. Oh yeah. Be careful coming up to this driveway though. It says protected by Smith & Wesson. Smile, you're on camera, boys. Oh yeah. Alrighty. It needs me to come down and trim some trees. That's another day. There's my big ditch I mowed. Little area out here I had to mow too. I went over it again just to make some stripes after it dried. That back part. And that back part back there I mowed too. Now I gotta climb this big old freaking hill. Get a run at it, boys. Holy mama. If there was more traffic on the road, I'd be going clear over on the ditch, over the top of this hill. It might meet a car, but we're got a chance of the day. No cars, just like I thought. Alright, we made her. Well, we didn't have to use the grasshopper because I fixed that flat tire. If I didn't fix the flat tire, I would have needed her. Yeah, wouldn't I? Holy crap, my phone was on there or something. I don't know what's going on. I need to get me a drink of water. Get me a drink of water. I need to get this shirt here. I got a little subject I want to talk about, but I'm shy. It's hard for me to talk about. Oh yeah. H2O, baby. Oh man, I was needing a drink. Need a Bath Blue Ribbon. Maybe two. I need, oh, drop my lid. Uh-oh. I got her, boys. I'm not gonna drink all of it. Not gonna drink too much water, is it? Water. What's going on my phone here? Dang it. Quit freaking the mid button. Anybody else have a phone that's so sensitive when you hit bumps it comes on? Or if you barely touch it? Look at all this corn, it's pretty high. Pretty good looking corn. Whoa, about went in the ditch. Pretty good looking corn there. And we got beans over here, soybeans. And we got some trees there in the middle of the field, which I don't understand why they let that stay there, but I guess they're keeping it there to keep it from washing. Corn. Looks like a good place for deer back in there. It's the trash hole of the neighborhood. Right there. Okay, that's good enough. Hey, I will talk to you guys later. Headed back to the shop. We're gonna go have lunch with the wife. Oh, it's about time to end the day, boys and girls. Where the hell's my damn phone? I mean, see what time it is. That's only 4:30. Not too bad, not too bad. I need a drink of that H2O. Got my H2O, still got some ice in her. I freeze these water bottles in my freezer so they'll stay cold in my cooler all day. Oh, that's good stuff. Can't beat H2O. I got our trailer load of mess back here. Let me go look at it with you. I just got done doing one of my monthly yards, but she had some brush she wanted me to pick up that was laying around. And this is now what I got on my trailer, and it don't dump. Ain't that a bummer? I'm gonna try to pick it up with some forks or something and set it on that damn 1 ton over there with that other brush. That'd about fill that truck up. I need to get that that truck right there. I need to get that truck and this trailer hooked up and haul them out to the dump and dump that crap off. Okay, I got too much work to do. I ain't got too much work to do, but I guess I'm busy. Shut my gates. My gate fence is looking pretty good still. This is kind of messed up. This is equipment though, most of it. This is good. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. And the sprayer is pretty good. The rest of this crap needs to probably just go to the junk. Except for that roller. That's a good roller. That's my heater right there. I need to get it back in the shop under the bench. It just needs cleaned up a little bit. And killed. And some gravel bit in there. Okay. Let's see what we gotta do now. Shut that gate, I guess. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna empty this trailer in the morning. Yeah. Mowed 2 properties today that were monthly properties. I just gotta put my stuff in the shop here and lock it up. And I'm gonna call it a day. I didn't like doing that video for 1 video a week. Where it's long. They made it too long for one thing. So I'm gonna start putting them on one every day again. So alrighty. Like and subscribe if you want to watch my videos, I guess. We gotta work on this truck. I might work on that truck right now.